All right, so we have our 6 single crochets, and the importance of stitch markers is that you don't want to lose your place, or it's going to mark your first stitch in the round. Okay, so this was our first one in the round right here, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So when we start our next round, we know that this is the stitch that we want. Okay, so the next round, so we did 1 single crochet. This is a standard increase round on how you start anything that you do in a circle. Okay, so we did 1, and now we're going to do 2 in each. Okay, so you're going to insert your hook under both of these loops on the V. This is kind of the anatomy of a stitch. Okay, so under those 2 V's right there, you're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then make a single crochet. And that's your first stitch in your second round. So we're going to mark that with our stitch marker. And if you don't have a stitch marker, you can use a different colored piece of yarn. You can use a paper clip, anything you want. Okay, so that was our first one, and then we want to do another one in the same stitch. Okay, all right, and then we're going to do 2 in each stitch around, so we're doubling. So we did 6 in the first, and we're going to have a total of 12 in this next one. Okay, that's a total of 4. So we're going to do 2 under this stitch, 1, 2, 2 under this one, okay, then we're going to do 2 under here, all right, and then we know this is our first stitch of that round, so we still need to work into this one. Okay, and then this makes it easy for us to count because we know where to start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 12. Okay, and then the next round is going to be another increase round, and you're going to do 2 in the first, okay, there's our first one. So let's put our stitch marker back in. There's 1 and 2, and then you're only going to do 1 in the next. Oops. One in the next here, and then 2 in this one, one in this one, 2 in this one, one in this one, 2, 1, 2, 1 in this one, 2, and then this is our last one right here, so we're just going to do 1 there. So you should have 18 in this round. And then the next round is very similar. You're going to do 2, and then 1 and 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2, 1, 1, and so on.